Okay, this video is about basic operation on algebraic fraction. So I will go through multiplication and then division in this video. So we talk about multiplication. So we look at this one and then we can see what do they have in common will be the factor, the common factor. That is why. So this one A can cancel with this one A, and then this 3 can cancel with 24. And B with B here, so at the end the answer will be 16. Okay, and then if you are talking about division, then this time you have to pay attention to the division sign, because you learned this one in primary school. So I assume that you remember when you have a division sign, you can change it back to the multiplication sign, but you have to reverse the position of denominator and numerator. That is why you should have something look like this, and then cancel them with a corresponding factor. So this one I use 4, and then this one I use 3. And this one they are the same. This one like this, so you have x at the end. Okay, so what give you 2 over 25x like this. So that is why if you look at this kind of problem, I guess you basically can do it well. So we do sum together, and you can pause anywhere and put down the question and do it yourself, and then check the answer together. Okay, this is the question, and then we're going to simplify it first. So this one we cancel it with 5. That means divided by 5, divided by A, divided by B, okay, divided by 2. Okay, so do it one by one. So you have 21 over B. Okay, so this is what you have. And then the next one will be 28c over 3d squared times 6cd cubed over 7. So this time we can deal with it with the common factor again. So use 7 for this one. For d squared, we use d squared and d cubed this one, so you have d at the end. So for c, there is no c in the denominator, but for 6, we can use 3. So you have what remain will be this one. So at the end, you have 8c squared d, like this. Okay, and then next one will be 4x over 3 times x minus y times this 5 times x minus y over 6xy. So you look at the common factor that they have, x minus y, and then this one 6, this one 4, we divided by 2, so you have 2 and 3 here, and then this one x and this one x, so you divided by x, so at the end the answer will be 10 over 9y. Okay, and then next one, even if you are given 3 component, the method is still the same. That is why you need not feel panic. You just have to do it carefully with patience, and then you can solve it easily. And I have confidence in you because you watch this video. Basically, you should understand the rationale behind we do the simplification. Okay, look at what they have in common. So this time, for this one, 4x minus y, cancel this one. So you have 1, x minus y here. And then 9 and 3. So you have 1 here and 3 here. And then you have x cubed. So this one becomes x squared, and this one x disappear. And then for this 4 and 5, you cannot cancel them. So at the end, what you have will be 5y over this 3 times 4 times 4, that means 48, and then x squared. Okay, so if possible, of course, you put them in a better position or better size so that you have this as your answer. Okay, but no matter what, you should know that how to deal with these kind of problem. So after multiplication, we go through sum. Okay, division. So we have 2p over 15q cubed divide 8p squared over 9q. So this one, reverse the order first. Okay, in the beginning, reverse the order, so you have 9q over AP squared. So this time cancel down with the common factor 2, and then for this one 3, and then for this one p's square become p, and here become p. This one q cube and q here 1, and then q square. So at the end you will have 3 over 20 pq square. Okay, and then next one will be the question like this. Okay, and I'm going to do these kind of problem with you because I am confident if you do sufficient practice, then probably you can handle it. Okay, so this one I do the simplification first by intuition. Okay, and then you reverse the position. And then this time you can do the cancellation with 6. And for this one, you have t cube at the end, and this one 1 here, because you divided by t. So you will have a 2s cube and t cube like this. Okay,